Good day mga Kabayan Techers! This is your The Kabayan Tech and it's another Thursday for our Troubleshooting Thursday. What we're going to do today is the part 2 of using the V1S, where we're going to transfer a phone that was repaired with no True Tone function, and we're going to make it show up a True Tone function on the replacement display.
Welcome.
So mapapansin nyo po, we do have a phone. So ang qualifying lang po dito is we need to have a phone that we could still access. Okay po? And mapapansin niyo when I zoom in the camera here, mapapansin nyo this iPhone 8 was repaired probably by another technician na hindi po siya gumamit ng programmer. How do we transfer True Tone if ganito na po ang scenario ng phone na nakuha ninyo? So in this case, the first thing that we have to understand here is, again, we need to have the phone to be accessible. Meaning, you can turn it on, touch is responding, and kung gusto nyo talagang gawin yung True Tone, then we can do that as long as those conditions are met. To have our V1S, the original phone, okay, and then we have the replacement screen here. So what we're going to do is, we're going to have a lightning cable, and we're going to connect it dun sa top portion po ng V1S. And then, I'm going to connect that cable, turn on V1S, and connect that cable to the phone. Yung wala pong True Tone. Then wait for a few seconds, and then something will show up on the screen that says, do you want to trust this computer? Because the V1S is a computer. Okay? So we just have to trust this computer. Lumabas na po siya, that one. And then we have to press trust. And then after we press the trust button, mapapansin nyo po, dahan-dahan niyang babasahin yung phone mismo. The phone has a record of the True Tone serial number onto the chip of the logic board. Okay, so pag lumabas na po ito, yung tips, we press the middle button. Okay, and then what we do is, let me just put this one on the other side. So, hindi ko po siya tinatanggal. Naka-connect pa rin po siya. And then, what I am going to do is have the replacement screen here. And plug it in. Okay. And then, the next step that we're going to do is press the read button. Dito po sa function na to, restore po ang tawag nila. So, we press this one. And it will slowly get the information from here to your V1S going to your screen. And it will say data verified correct, and you are done. And then the next step is to just replace this screen with this replacement screen that you have. Okay? And that's about it. Thank you very much mga ka-techers. Again, subscribe and leave a comment or suggestion and hit the like bell para malaman ninyo kung may bago tayong content. This is Kabayan Tech. Thank you very much and good day.